The WEG CFW500 drive is one of the most sophisticated and feature-rich drives AutomationDirect currently offers. Its ability to produce full-rated torque all the way down to 0 RPM really makes it stand out from the crowd. It does that using true field-oriented or vector control with encoder feedback. That's something that none of the other drives AutomationDirect currently offers can do. The CFW500 is available on 230-volt single-phase input through 3 horsepower and 3-phase input to 40 horsepower, and the 460-volt input goes to 60 horsepower. They're available on standard IP20 enclosure as well as IP66 or NEMA 4X, which can be ordered with a built-in disconnect, which saves you the space, time, and effort of installing a NEMA 4X rated disconnect yourself. And since the NEMA 4X drive's built-in HMI is IP66 outdoor rated, you now have a drive that can be used in direct sunlight. The CFW500 family has 2 remote keypads, one that's identical to the drive's built-in keypad, and another IP54 rated full alphanumeric keypad, which makes configuring and operating the drive so much easier. The IP20 drives have an option that upgrades them to NEMA 1 to give them protection from falling debris. Safe Torque Off, or STO, which cuts the power to the motor in emergency situations, is accomplished with an optional module, so you don't have to pay for that feature if you don't need it. And it takes things one step farther by adding a Safe Stop Off, which gives you control over the decel ramp in emergency situations instead of just letting STO free spin the motor down out of your control. All of the CFW500 drives come with an I/O module installed, and there's lots of optional I/O modules available to handle pretty much anything you can imagine, including USB configuration and Modbus TCP and Ethernet IP communications. And while all the CFW500 drives share the same parameters, the parameters that are common with the other CFW drive families use the exact same numbering, so upgrading to a CFW500 from another WEG drive family is super easy. The WPS Configuration Software gives you total control over commissioning and monitoring the drive, and it's completely free. You can download it today from the AutomationDirect.com website. And since it's the exact same software you use on the other WEG drive families, you may already be familiar with it and can use it to manage all of your WEG drives, not just the CFW500 drive family. There's even a Pump Genius app that holds your hand and walks you through setting up complicated pumping systems for both single and multi-drive systems. Speaking of apps, the CFW500 drive has a built-in PLC controller, so you can program in extra functionality as you see fit. It's ideal for those times when you just need an extra timer or simple control logic and don't want the hassle or expense of adding extra controllers and components. And yes, the PLC programming software is built into the WPS configuration software, so it's also free. AutomationDirect has lots of video tutorials on the CFW500's advanced features to help you get up and running quickly. And since all of the WEG drives use the same configuration parameters, you can also watch the CFW100 and CFW300 videos to learn how to do the basic things on your CFW500 drive. Along with the free video tutorials, free configuration programming software, free Pump Genius, free tech support, free 2-day shipping on all orders over $49, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Try one today at AutomationDirect.com.